The next company that I would like to introduce is Vivos Therapeutics. Vivos Therapeutics is a medical device company focused on the development and commercialization of solutions for patients with sleep-disordered breathing, including obstructive sleep apnea. The Vivos System represents the first non-surgical, non-invasive, and cost-effective solution for this market. Please welcome Cohen, founder of Vivos Therapeutics.
Slight correction. I'm not the founder. I wish I was, but I am the Senior Vice President of Business Development. So let's see, where are we going here? Here we go. Vivos is the single biggest breakthrough in the treatment of sleep apnea since the CPAP. This is my disclaimer that basically says that I'm not responsible for anything that I say on this stage right now. Like I said, I'm on the business development team. I am an investor in this company. And so I answered all the questions that I'm hoping to answer for you today. But more importantly, this company may have saved my life. I was one of the millions of people in the United States that suffered from sleep apnea without knowing it. And to get right to the punchline, right before I was able to go into treatment for sleep apnea, I suffered a stroke at the age of 43, 2 weeks before a triathlon. So not your prototypical candidate that you would think suffered from sleep apnea. But as I found out, you're 83% more likely to have a stroke if you have undiagnosed sleep apnea. So when I say that this company saved my life, I really mean it. What I wanted to know before I invested in this company, and I apologize for the formatting issue there, but does the product work? We've got over 14,000 successful treatments in the marketplace already. We're FDA cleared, registered Class 1 and Class 2 medical devices. We've got significant body of clinical evidence, over 50 published studies. We did $3.7 million revenue in 2018, $11.2 million in revenue in 2019, with a 76% gross margin. Our founder created this technology over 10 years ago. And as a professor and an inventor, he did what every academic professor does. He went out and started lecturing on it. He educated thousands of dentists and doctors on the treatment, but unfortunately, because there was no business system behind the treatment, very few patients were treated. Several years later, several years ago, he met Kirk Huntsman, who is a successful entrepreneur taking company to $250 million in revenue and selling it. And Kirk really helped build the business behind Vivos so that we could get the product out into the market. As you know, OSA is a serious health condition. What we do in the most simplest terms is we effectively enhance the craniofacial structures and therefore enhance the volume of the airway, removing the obstruction in obstructive sleep apnea. This is a little before and after. As we widen the jaw, the airway also becomes wider, increasing the airway volume. We're now commercial. We've got a provider network of over 300 doctors currently in 38 states. This is a little bit of a comparison to Inspire Medical, which is now a $1 billion market cap company. We're trending very closely with their development and growth. We are pre-IPO. We're cleared by the SEC for our IPO, and so right now we're positioned very strongly to have rapid growth in the marketplace. We need your help. We're currently raising a $15 million a $15 million bridge round to the IPO. We're also looking for that anchor healthcare investor that can help support the IPO. The structure of the bridge round is a convertible Series B. It converts at 25% discount with 100% warrant coverage. You can get more information, a more full deck at vivosopportunity.com. My information is there, and I'd love to talk to you in the back about how you can help us bring this life-saving treatment to the world. Thank you.